welcome back. This video will cover 5 super useful Qkids tips for new teachers. Alright, tip number 1 is to practice in the platform. In case you did not know, Qkids actually has a practice zone right in their platform. This allows you as a teacher to be able to go in and practice as many times as you want, for as long as you want. Practice using the tools, or you could practice using the stickers. You can practice your pacing and timing, or just practice being comfortable in front of a camera. Pretend that you have some of those cute little Qkids students in your class. You can use that classroom for anything you want. Now, another thing that Qkids offers in their platform is a game section. They have a section that allows you to see all of the games. You'll see them demonstrated, you'll see examples of how the games can be taught. Now, something to know is that games are a staple in Qkids lessons. So it's very helpful and beneficial to take some time in the platform in the game section and learn the games, because the games will repeat themselves in different lessons. So learning the games is super important. Tip number 2 is to join online platforms. Qkids has some official pages and official places you can follow them on Instagram and LinkedIn and YouTube and Facebook. I would recommend joining some of these platforms to learn from other teachers, to learn from the Qkids staff. Their Facebook groups have a wonderful, positive vibe with the teacher community who loves to share and loves to give feedback and loves to help. It's a great place to go and ask, how did you do? What should I do? What do you think? You'll have many veteran and even new teachers who are learning right along with you and who want to help out. So I would recommend finding these platforms and joining them online. So my third tip is to bring your number 1 best thing you can bring, your smile. So students, they might be nervous. This might be the first time they've ever taken an online class or seen someone who's not from their country, right? Bring your smile. A smile is something that can cross all languages. It's a bridge that can cross all languages. A smile is inviting and welcoming to your students. So bring your smile, use it often. Tip number 4, hydrate and get your rest. Most of the classes are in the morning for Qkids. They do have some evening classes, but a lot of their classes are in the morning. You want to make sure to go to bed at a decent time so you can get enough sleep to wake up for those early morning classes and to have the time to hydrate and drink the water you need to help take care of your voice, take care of your body. It will pay off, I promise. Tip number 5 is to start your lesson right. When you jump into the Qkids classes, there is an introduction slide where it's you and your students. This is a great place to teach your students introduction depending on their learning level and where they're at. But really the section is not necessarily about learning, but warming your students up, warming them up to you. Have fun with them. Set that pace of the class and tone of the class that you want them to interact. So use that opportunity to get to know your students a little bit. Maybe you ask their favorite color. Maybe your student just gets up and hides. So you pretend to hide. Just have fun with them. That first screen, we just want to help them feel comfortable. Be silly with them. It's kind of a free and open spot to just help them feel welcome and invited on their level, on their pace with what they're able to do. Then in section 1, this is where you start to engage them a little bit more. You want to pull them out of their shells. You want to let them know this is the pace and the tone of the lesson, that you want them to participate. So you want to ask a lot of questions. Ask them questions in that first screen. What do you see? What are they doing? What did they say? What happened? What's missing? Questions. Ask them questions. And luckily, Qkids has a teacher guide right there on the side that will tell you what to focus on for that lesson. These are my 5 super useful tips for new teachers. I hope they help. Welcome to the Qkids team if you've already joined and you're a new teacher. If not and you're just checking us out, we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.